What is going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to install a tail tidy. So without further ado, let's get straight to it. Under the seat you will find a key slot. Turn it to the right to unlock the seat. Then pull the seat upwards to release it. Next you will see a small silver tab. Pull down on that and you will be able to pop off the passenger seat. Under the passenger seat, you will see two 10mm bolts connected to a servo motor. Remove them and you will be able to move the servo off to the side. Next, locate the plugs in a black rubber boot and start to disconnect them. These plugs connect to your servo and lights. Move the plugs in the servo motor out of the way to reach the four silver 4mm hex key bolts, along with the two black Phillips head bolts. Once you have removed the bolts, you will be able to push the cables through the slot and the tail tidy will come off. If you are using a new tail tidy kit that reuses the OEM blinkers, remove this bolt and split apart to expose the internals. My TST kit includes a license plate light, fender closeout plate with hardware, the mounting license plate bracket, along with the license plate hardware and some stickers. Next, we are going to grab the closeout plate, the smallest 4mm screw, the biggest washer, and a 10mm locking nut. This extra hole is if you plan to pass wires through. To make it easier, you could put tape on the four silver 4mm hex key screws till you get the closeout plate in position. The spacers will go next, and then we will hold the plate in position while we go on the other side to put the washers along with the 10mm locking nuts on. Get everything tightened down and you are done with the closeout plate. Under the main seat we have two black 10mm nuts and two 5mm hex screws. Remove them. This is the area where your license plate bracket will go between. Under the fender you will find a slot to slide the bracket in between. Once you have the bracket set in between the two plastic shrouds, reinstall the hardware and tighten. The next portion we will be installing the running light for the plate, which we snipped off the OEM white plug to make the install easier. You will need to locate the white plug, which has a brown and yellow positive wire, along with a black and yellow negative wire. We will be tapping into these wires. The kit I bought comes with these red twist connectors, which make the process a little easier. To start, you will twist the bigger portion cap and feed your wire to the bottom. Do this to both wires. You will do the same process with the smaller cap sides, then connect them positive to positive, negative to negative. After you're done connecting them, test them to see if all your lights work, and if they do, you are done with the tail tidy install. Alright guys, so that's going to be the end of the video. If you found this video helpful, make sure you give this video a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.